Peace from the Garden of Feodora. I do want to say before I get started, subscribe, or at least hit the like button. It helps me out a lot. With all that said, let's get started. Today I received some seeds in the mail. These and these. I had a bad experience 2 years ago when I purchased some seeds from online. They were actually Jimmy Nardello seeds. And I spent 2 seasons trying to germinate those seeds, and they never came up. I'm not going to do that this time. I'm going to show you how to germinate your seeds. Well, to see if they're germinatable by using a plastic bag, some water, and a napkin. So what I have here are rainbow carrots, 600, and over here I have some yellow pear tomatoes, 300. And now I have myself some water and a pen. Now we're going to take the napkin and tear it twice. One for the tomato, one for the carrots. We're going to add just a little bit of water. Take 2 more pieces of napkin and completely cover it, adding a little more water to the top. We're going to gently roll these up. And just fold them once or twice. That's all it takes. And we're going to add them into our bag. There should be enough moisture to get them germinating, if they're germinatable. We're going to let them sit. And we'll be back in a few days to check on those and see if we had any luck. Alright? With that said, again, please give us a thumbs up and check out the Patreon. I have some great things happening over there, along with prints, t-shirts, and all types of other fun merchandise. It helps us out a lot. And as always, peace from the Garden of Feodora. And don't forget, please subscribe or just hit the like button. It helps us out a lot. And as always, peace from the Garden of Feodora.